Starting from the infamous intersection, Corvallis, Montana. All clear. Let's head to the east and see what we find. And here we are at Summerdale Road. It's definitely not summer. It's just Dale. Yeah, I had to make a quick pit stop for a vape, but I just wanted you to see the mountains. All right, back down Summerdale we go. Okay, we're gonna try Peppergrass Lane. This is a new one. Well, it said private lane, no outlet. I guess we can at least check it out, but the speed limit really sucks. Look at all those birds. Okay, private property, residents and guests only. I guess we can be a guest just to ride. Or we can turn around over here. Oh, this is neat. So up here is somebody's ranch. They probably don't want me mentioning the name, so we'll just leave it at that and ride on. There's also a little creek down there, and we came over that bridge, so I think I'm gonna stop on that. Hit it! Oh, no water at all. There you go. And no water either. Well, it was still a fun stop. Let's rock. Here we are back at Summerdale. Or Dale, but not Summer. My favorite, Popham Lane instead of Black Forest Ham. Don't you want to pull up next to that truck and say, "Hey, man"? Get it? Hey. Let's see, we're at Eastside. I think we're gonna head north again. Corvallis, Montana. I think we'll go ahead and take the crossing up ahead, head west toward the main highway 93, and we'll open this baby up. Let Roxy breathe a little bit. What the hell? Let's go straight across and take the long way home. Still got a little time left before the day's over and got to get some work done. Bowman Road, we're going to take a left.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do.
Well, should we stop and look at some horsies? Why not? Hey there, buddies. Rock and roll all night and day. Bye, horsies.
There's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
All right, my friends, that about does it for today.
downfall.
Well, we're off to a late start today. Had to put some air in the tires. And I was figuring, well, what the hell, let's go explore Willoughby. It's in the high 50s, so it's not too bad today. Take the opportunity, but like I said, running late, so let's see how far we get. Eastside Highway. Boy, do those tires feel good now.